Do you see him swimming up towards the other two? Yeah. Look at him go. Look at, he's coming really close to you guys. Oh, there's the other two salmon. What do you think is going to happen between the three of them?
They're going to bite each other. They might fight.
Might fight?
They might fight each other.
Let's find out.
They might
Oh,
fight.
you guys pay attention to what's happening. See if you can find all three salmon.
I found one. Whoa! I found all three salmon. Now one's leaving. I thought what that was. I was waiting. Whoa! I want to name that guy Splashy.
Splashy.
Because he's splashy.
Oh, they're coming closer, you guys. Look, they're coming nice and close to us.
They're all going to be splashy. Pick them up, it doesn't even have a wow. See? A little bird. Go to the bird.